We have this fishing tackle box slash craft box that we filled with all of our emergency supplies. If we ever got evacuated or had to leave in a hurry, we could take it with us. It has everything we need except for some insulin. So we just have to grab that and add to it. Sometimes we take it camping with us too. This top container has wipes, skin prep, needles, an extra alert bracelet, and some infusion sets. This part has all of our pump supplies, cartridges, needle tips, infusion sets. I like to try to keep enough supplies that will last us about 3 weeks minimum. Hopefully by then we would be able to get more supplies to us. In this bottom box, we keep some low supplies, extra testing kit, extra testing strips, a couple granola bars. Probably need to put a couple more low supplies in there. And I promise it slides in quite nicely when you have it open properly. This top part, we have some carby snacks. We call our activity snacks. A couple extra Dexcoms and some adhesives to keep them on. Some masks, doggy poo bags. We also have an emergency list under there with our contacts and also our carb ratios. So if we ever are without a pump and we need to switch back to our insulin pen, we have that to use. So grab some insulin out of the fridge and we're ready to go.